It was very strange. We walked out on the beach and there was lots of people trying to stop us from walking out on the beach.
Not really. They were just
No,
saying,
they were sort of just,
whoa, where are you going?
Oh, careful. Hey Lisa.
Look at that tree back there. That is so awesome.
That is amazing.
Yeah. So the stump, it looks like the stumps come out and made like 3 different trees coming out of the same tree. Trunks, that's the word.
Yeah, let's have a look. There we go. Wow.
Fabulous. I love it.
So where are we?
We are at Cape Perpetua.
Go for it.
Cape Perpetua. We've been here before, and when we were here before, this trail section was closed.
Yeah.
So thankfully it's open today, surprisingly enough, because half the Oregon coast is falling into the ocean.
Yeah,
so
crazy.
Hopefully we don't fall into the ocean with the coast. And yeah, this is fun. We love the ocean.
We love visiting the ocean.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know I'd want to live on the ocean.
I don't think so.
Definitely.
But definitely to visit is just like, it's awe-inspiring.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm Lisa.
This is Kent, and we're Living Light RV.
We are grabbing life by the tail, and join us this week as we explore the Oregon coast. There's some pretty cool things out here, even in the rain. Okay, so you know how we showed you that video of the water covering this beach? You better run! Because we said, I wonder if you could outrun the wave as it covers this whole beach area so fast. So I guess we'll find out. You're good! You're good! Because that was just crazy to see how fast that water just covers this whole beach area. And not every wave does it. It's like every, I don't know, every 12th wave. We had to wait a few minutes before it actually covered. So that was pretty crazy.
I walked out there pretty far.
You did. Now where you were is wet. Playing with the ocean is fun, but you gotta be careful.
The ocean usually wins.
You gotta be careful.
Very careful. So Lisa and I are, hey, where's Lisa? There she is.
I'm watching the ocean. You should never turn your back on the ocean.
I'm not. I'm watching it in the video camera. See, look, there it is. This is exciting. The amount of power and splash and boom that those waves cause is just so impressive.
So scary.
Why is it scary? Oh yeah, because where we're standing is covered with water in a few hours. That's a little scary.
The tide is out right now, so it's not actually too dangerous here, which is kind of nice because you get to crawl around on the rocks.
And explore.
As the tide comes in, it would be very dangerous standing here.
Hey, where's Bessie?
Bessie is just down that hill right there.
There she is.
There.
I think that's her. I'll show you in a second.
And you guys, check out this ocean view. We are at Pacific City Thousand Trails.
Yeah.
And it is gorgeous out here.
Never been to this one before.
It's beautiful. A few minutes ago, we were walking on the beach.
Yes.
We saw something unusual.
It was very strange. We walked out on the beach and there was lots of people trying to stop us from walking out on the beach.
Not really. They were just
No,
saying,
they were sort of just,
whoa, where are you going?
Oh, careful. We're filming, okay? Yeah. They were filming for a major, probably advertisement,
we're thinking
Mercedes-Benz.
commercial for Mercedes. So
yeah,
we'll show you some of that footage right here. It's pretty cool.
There you go. You saw it here first. We're down on the beach, and they are filming this truck driving through the splash of the surf. They have a drone in the air. Pretty cool equipment. A little bit more than what we have. Yeah, so there you go. We're on the set. Quiet.
Hey guys, look what we found.
Hey, this is Star.
We found Star.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna put Star back in a pool over there.
Actually, we didn't even find it. We were wandering along the beach, and one of the guys from the production crew for that commercial,
that way somewhere, whichever,
he picked it up and showed it to us. We're like, cool.
And it's nice and flexible. She'll be fine.
She's still alive.
Yeah.
So yes, now we're gonna go look for a tide pool to put her in.
Yeah.
So awesome. I love beachcombing.
Beaches are awesome.
It is,
especially in the sunshine.
Yeah, so it's a lot. It's still, the air is still very cold out here, but it's sunny, so it's nice. What a beautiful day. Absolutely love it. So we were actually a little surprised to see the film crew down here again today. We thought they would be there just yesterday. But now I think it looks like they're taking more still shots today. The ocean in the background, so super fun job. You're actually surprised at how many how many people does it take to make a commercial?
That's right. Because we know how many YouTubers it takes to make a YouTube channel.
Make a YouTube video. And how much effort it takes.
Yeah.
So yeah, pretty cool.
I don't think Mercedes-Benz would rely their product in the hands of two people only to make their next advertisement.
Exactly.
But I could drive.
I know, we're like, man, if we could only drive that Mercedes into the ocean, that would be so cool. Anyway, the fun things you get to see when you get outside. Go outside and play, guys. You never know what you're gonna find. So much fun. This is so cool, you guys. Wow. What? That's awesome. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. Okay, they're getting bigger. We should go.
I watched it come all the way through the channel.
Oh my goodness.
I knew it was coming.
You knew that was coming. You didn't warn us. Here goes another one. Wow. Okay. This is incredible. We just hiked up these dunes here. I'll show you them right there. And they don't look steep, but they're steep. And now we've got this amazing view.
Yeah.
Like
it's just incredible to look all the way to the other bluffs.
This is awesome.
Like, look at this.
Something intelligent has boring feathers. Boring. And even though we have said before,
Oh.
we're gonna go for a walk in the back path, water and snacks, just in case, go farther than you can just go. We're like, we're just gonna go for a short walk on the beach.
Yeah.
Now we're way up here, way over there. No water, no way over there. You want to keep going?
No.
You want to keep going?
No,
Yes, you do.
no, my
You want to keep going, but you won't. Probably actually gonna say no water. Okay guys, this is crazy. So a few minutes ago, we were on the beach and we're looking for a way back to our campground. And now we're literally like in the middle of the rainforest. Like, look at this. It's like an archway of tree behind us.
Not stone.
It's beautiful. But it's definitely, what'd you put me in front for? I don't want to break all the spider webs. Go, you go.
Is this better?
Yep.
There's the road.
Now we're walking through a forest, and a whole bunch of these trails just went up to the houses, like literally walk up a trail all the way to the top, and there's a gate to someone's backyard. Great, back down the trail to the main trail. So I think we are well on our way to finding the road, and once we find the road, we can just walk back, or take the bus if we find the bus. Yes, P.S. in this area, there's a free, I think they call it the Pacific City Transit. It's free. Who's like free? So now we're trying to avoid spiders in the forest. I don't like forest walking, like not when it's close like this. I'll let you know if we make it. Kent and I find that we actually get lost fairly frequently. But that's half the fun, right? Because we always get found again. Okay, it's quite beautiful in here. I'm sending my scout to see if there's actually a way down.
5 feet to the road.
Are you sure? You want me to go through there?
You want me to go down?
What do you mean?
Well, one big step and I'm on the road.
Dang it. I have to go through this creepy bush.
Well, she's still smiling. That's a good thing. Not bad for an urban girl.
You feeling me? We did it! We found the road! Yay for civilization! That was an adventure. I
Yes,
need
it was.
coffee.
Somebody left a trail here. I wonder what.
I need water.
Water.
I need coffee.
Coffee.
I need lunch. Good thing I had breakfast of champions this morning.
Car.
Oop, car. Get off the road.
Move the nets.
No goal. Car. Thanks for joining us on Kent and Lisa's epic adventure.
Wild and crazy.
Wild and crazy.